Most people think being charismatic is something you are born with. We assume you need a big personality or a loud voice to make people like you. In reality, trying too hard to impress others just makes them uncomfortable and pushes them away. To fix this instantly, you need to use the open posture tip. True charm is not about showing off, and it is not about being the loudest person in the room. It is simply about making the other person feel seen and heard. Consider the case study of a quiet office worker named Robert. He always felt left out during team meetings and struggled to connect with his coworkers, which was hurting his chances at a promotion. He decided to change his approach by using a simple trick. Instead of worrying about what to say next, he started leaning in, nodding his head, and giving people his full attention when they spoke. Within 30 days, his coworkers started inviting him to lunch, his boss noticed his teamwork, and he secured a major promotion. You do not need a new personality to win people over. Change how you listen right now to build instant trust. Subscribe right now to unlock the machine-like blueprint for an easy, high-leverage life.